On this day, I almost beat Chacha Baby's ear. In fact, bite the ear off and just run away. Chacha Baby gave me a very wrong information. I don't know where she got it from. Maybe from Wazobia TV, that the road to the market that we usually follow is blocked. And she has Obonge news flying around that the road is blocked and we have to be careful. You guys, I was just driving in frustration because at this point I had gone round in circles. For a market that should have taken us at least 15 to 20 minutes to get to, I was on the road 45 minutes plus, still trying to navigate. But anyways, this is the bridge heading into UBA car park. Yeah, the Balogun market. Anyways, welcome guys again to another market vlog. Welcome back to Boomsy Sports. Welcome back to Idumota Market vlog. Let's go and restock provisions in my home and some food stuff as well. You guys know how we do it. I'm definitely gonna tell you guys how much I bought each items at the end of this video, so you want to stick around till the end of this video so that you can know the accurate prices that I bought each item. But anyways, today there's a twist to this market vlog because I was not alone. It was myself, Chacha Baby. Chacha Baby is my friend and somebody special. I have gotten to the car park here and it's time for me to just pick up my ticket and head into my parking space. Hey guys, welcome to yet another market vlog. Welcome to... Oh, my love is calling me. Let me take this call. Sorry, my laboroma was calling me. But anyways, it is yet another market vlog and it's going to be a lot of shopping today. Who can you see here?
Chacha Baby.
Who can you see here?
Mommy Lily.
You guys, Mommy is actually following. In fact, she's going back, so she wants to shop for a couple of things in my sister's house, you know. And then, you guys, it's going to be a long market shopping today, right? And I hope you guys are up for it because I have a lot of things to buy actually. But how are you guys doing? I know that this is the vlog that you guys enjoy the most, my market vlog. So come with me to the market. Let's see what the prices are saying today. You guys, Chacha Baby made us drive around this Lagos today, claiming that they blocked the road that leads into this market. And you know, we fasted the amount of people that we were stopping to ask directions. When we asked them, most of the touts on the road, they now want to enter inside the car and now say, okay, let them follow us to the markets, we'll show them. I say, blood of Jesus. In this Lagos, I beg God, don't go use me do. I mean, I'm not even Johnny just come. All those ones where maybe if I just came to Lagos, they would have used my head, but they could not. But anyways, guys, let's head into the market. My labor woman, I've called her. She should be waiting for me already. It's going to be just quick because you guys, it's 3 of us, so everybody will spread themselves and make sure that after 2 hours or 2 hours 30 minutes, we are done with our shopping. But welcome back again to another interesting market vlog, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching. Guys, so there's no parking space. Hey, there's no parking space in the market today, and apparently where some guy parked me, I have to drop my key for him. I have to drop my key. See, you guys, my mom is carrying handbag. See, she's carrying handbag instead of carrying rugged bag like this. And me, I see Chacha Baby own. Mama did the car. He won't follow me today. He won't. I don't know why he decides to won't follow me come this market today. But anyway, bros, we will they look for you. We will they wait for you. Not see you now. Oh, you go park another person. You guys, today parking space was really crazy. But the person that parked us, I have to drop my key so that in case another person is moving, he will push out the car and all. But inside this car park now, I will have to pay him for parking me, then still go take my tag and still pay again for parking inside this UBA car park. Let me turn and show you guys. It's actually full. Like the car park is actually full. See, just see. So full.
Homesy, say hi. Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
See mommy back.
See, this mom's smile will fade off by the time we enter into the market and start shopping. You guys will get to know what I'm talking about when we eventually enter inside the market. But yeah, this is just walking into the market, and this is the guy I usually buy boo-boos from. This is his face, so that when you see him, you know this is him just waving. You guys walking into the market, and I think it actually wants to rain. I'm praying that it doesn't rain in this market today, because it's not going to be funny at all. I stopped here to buy Zobo leaf. Since stopping fizzy drinks, Zobo drink has been my go-to drink. Yes, with cinnamon and all of that. But in my last vlog, I showed you guys this, and someone said that this is a natural sweetener for Zobo and that I should get it, but I still didn't buy it. But anyways, this is just the front of the market, and I told him to put 2 model of this, which I eventually bought for 2,200. A model was going for 1,200, and instead of him putting it in the custard pit, I told him to put it in this model. I bought this cinnamon for 500 naira each, and ginger is now an expensive commodity. Hey, I bought flax seeds and other things for I bought this pepper soup spice as well. I've been looking for it since eventually I saw it here and I got it. I got it for I think 500 naira each. You guys, this ginger was going for 1,000 naira each, because they say that there's no ginger in the market actually. Cucumber, my love, which is my laboro woman, was inside the market, and we're just walking inside the market to locate her. Eventually she met with my mom. That helped me in the market. My mom was so happy to eventually meet my laboro woman, and one thing I would give the Yorubas is that they have a very beautiful, respectful culture. They respect a lot. I got to my customer shop and realized that she and her neighbor had a misunderstanding, and her neighbor threw her things on the floor. And this neighbor is always dragging me and calling me every time I come to the market to buy things. It was just so sad, but she kept putting up a smile on her face like nothing had happened. Now my mama be this. Oh yes. My love, one day go talk for my camera. Say something. Grandma on box, man. You guys, grandma is using the POS. 2 shops away from my customer shop is now where I buy my Fab biscuits, because the guy I used to do customer with was selling me a carton of Fab biscuits for 11,800. I got it for 9,800. In fact, that's what I've been buying from her. We are done with my customer shop, and she's just wrapping all the things that I bought. It is time to head on to buy other things as well. You guys, I bought this paint of tomato for 3,000 naira. Initially he said 5,000. Tomato is still cheap, so please go ahead and go and stock up if you can, and if you have the means to. Please go and stock up on tomato right now. You guys, I will tell you the story about rice. But anyways, my mom still believes in broom, does not believe in all these our new gadgets that we buy now for cleaning the house. So she bought broom, and it was 1,000 naira each. This is the man just wrapping it. I was like, Mommy, buy all that one. Say for what? Does it do anything? Does it sweep? Does it do anything? At this point, we're just seated down together waiting for this my customer that sells detergent and washing things. And Chai is on box, man. See Charlie's. Chai they bite, Chai they stroke. What's up, Mama don't know what side they face for market. They gave her bill 30-something thousand. No get value. They gave her bill 30-something thousand. She asked what she buy. Wait, don't reach 30-something thousand. I told you guys that grandma doesn't know what is coming for her. Look at her just really studying the invoice to find out what she really bought, because they told her her bill and she was like, what? See, and she even brought out her phone to start calculating. I mean, it was so hilarious. But anyways, we are done buying. cleaning items, and it's time to head in to buy spices and other things. I mean, today was just a funny day, literally. I was telling my mom, I say, sure, you see what we go through. And one thing is that there is no price control in this Nigeria, so anybody just sells anything at any price. This is my lady I usually buy my oil, my spices from. So as I just came in, she just started packing the things because she knows what I want, and she's been a good customer to me. And then Wasiu.
Mommy, now Wasiu with this. Mommy, I always argue with.
Every time.
Ask him how they go. How they go?
Mommy now. You know me go there.
Mommy,
Give her nylon. Give her nylon. Give her nylon.
Okay, my whole life for them. How they go?
If I way they do today, better give me better price. More they go. No be late cost. That one are your business.
Mommy, every time this is
Clear everything for me.
I love this one. This one plenty by the way, but I know everything don't cost now.
Yeah, like.
Mommy, this man, you just cut my neck.
How did they cut your neck?
Me is 65.
Mommy, you they buy for
Me
me.
is 65.
You know, how many people they buy
My
for me?
daughter don't bring customer.
I know, now that's
So
why.
your name don't reach America.
And
Reach
that's why they less the price for that.
Okay.
If you look this stuff for you, I don't know that. I don't even mean that this is because they talk so.
Follow me. No, they follow me. My head for not they buy. No, I don't buy. I don't tell you how much I buy. I don't buy. No, if you like to stress, no, they just, no, they stress person. No problem. What's it, chop up? No one sell. No, you go chop up. No one chop. You for chop now. I don't tell you. I know if you remove from here, you will get problem. No, it's not too good. I don't tell you. If you don't worry, leave am. I know they got up for house. You go to no lie.
I don't have money.
See you people that say that I'm arguing with Wasiu. Wasiu is the one that stress my life. I will go to the market, I will walk, I will buy everything. Nobody will stress me. Once I get to the car park, I meet Wasiu. Pakam, not there. Mommy don't see her still. And I say, na lie, oh. Na lie. Wasiu, then give her 1 million, no go collect. I don't like this meat, oh. I don't like am. I don't like am. Wasiu, I say I don't like am. Wasiu, see your hands full. Which one mean? I want to use this medium to thank that lady that reached out to my Labrador woman from the UK to ask for fabrics, and when she finished checking the fabrics, you still dashed her money. Thank you so much. Thank you for also patronizing my mom's bedsheet, you guys. I really appreciate. This is my Labrador woman's number. Please continue to do her well. See how we are loaded up, just heading home. My mom made me laugh today. She doesn't understand what is happening in this Lagos. It's because grandma feels like grandma wants to pack everything to Port Harcourt. They will tell grandma maybe for 6 items that she has bought, they will say, your bill is 30,000 or 35,000. This thing. She said, no, come and puncture it again. What do you mean? What do you mean? What did I buy? I said, wow, you don't know how we did do it for a year. But anyways, we are done. We're heading home now. I am back home and it's time to unbox and show you guys what I bought. I bought this, my favorite sweet, for 3,000 naira. I bought the sachet one for 1,500. Sachet roll of Milo was going for 1,300 naira. And I bought about 5 sachets to last us for the month. A sachet roll of peak milk was going for 1,800 naira only. And I bought about 5 sachets as well. Dano milk was the sachet roll was going for 1,200. Golden penny pack of sugar was 1,200 as well. Yogurt was 3,800 per pack. Dano 123 was 4,500 per pack, and I bought half a dozen. Kellogg's cornflakes was 2,500 naira, as you can see, and I bought just one. Golden Morn was 4,000 naira. I still have at home, so I didn't buy much. Oats was going for 2,500 naira. Mentos gum was 1,800 naira each. Nutribomb was 1,700 and I bought about 4 packs. Sugar was going for 2,000 naira for my baking. Huggies wipes was going for 18,000 naira for a carton. The Angels wipes was going for 1,200 naira. You guys, moped, a full roll of moped 5,000. A full roll of soft care was 3,400. And then kitchen roll was 800 naira for rolls. You guys, quick window cleaner was going for 1,200 naira. Viva Girl Forever, I bought different colors of Viva this time around for 1,700 and I bought about 5. You guys, Novex toilet cleaner was 3,000 naira. Vim was 1,200. Hypo was 2,200 naira. I'm back to my Mama Lemon, 1,800. I did not enjoy that former brand I bought. Go and watch it, you will know the brand I'm talking about. Sweet air freshener was 1,200 and I bought different flavors. Kiss pants was going for 9,000 naira and I bought one. Morphix was 14,500. You guys, shaving stick 1,300. Dusting powder for this heat 2,000 naira. I bought Colgate toothpaste for 1,500 naira each. Nivea spray was 4,000 naira and I bought about 2 for my both girls, you guys, to keep them smelling nice. I bought this spaghetti for 1,000 naira each and the next day I received a free carton of spaghetti. You guys, Golden Terra oil 3,800 naira. My favorite Korean Time 1,200. Yeah, the new brands, but I love this one the most. Sesame oil was 2,000 naira for this big bottle. Sweet corn was 600. A carton of Indomie 10,800. Ayola pounded yam 6,500. You guys, Sima's butter 1,300. Viva waste bin nylon was 1,100 and I bought like 3 different ones. Knorr beef was 2,800 naira. Ima coconut powder, because I'm gonna be making coconut fried rice, was 1,200. You guys, chicken seasoning was 1,500. Sachet roll of Gino was 700 naira and I bought about 2 sachets. Hens was going for 2,000 naira. And Seller rice, the first place I went to, I bought it 20,000 naira. The second place was 19,500. No price control in Nigeria. Fresh yo was 3,500 naira. A carton of Chivita was 4,000 naira. A carton of Ribena was 4,000 naira as well. Fab biscuit, a carton was 9,800 naira as compared to the 11,000 naira I used to buy a carton the previous times. You guys, soft drinks for hosting was 5,000 naira. Custard paint of Gary was 3,500 each and I bought 2 custard paints. You guys, this yam was going for 3,500 per one and I bought 2 tubers. And then custard paint of white beans was 7,500 naira. All the vegetables that you can see in this pan was going for 12,000 naira. Both the carrot, the green pepper, the red pepper, the yellow pepper, all of it was going for 12,000 naira only. You guys, this shombo was 3,000 naira and this tatashe was 3,000 naira. Irish potato was 7,000 naira for a custard paint. You guys, some live chicken mixed with some soft chicken, all for 26,500 naira. And then all this pomo and shaki was worth 5,000 naira. I prefer to buy the white pomo and not the one that has been burnt with tire. It's not healthy. You guys, all this beef and all this liver was 40,000 naira. Wasi will watch this video and say I cheated him, but I did not. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. My total spend was 579,000 naira. And I still have more things to buy. Bye guys, see you guys.